Welcome to my channel, you all. I am Monique D, and I am back with another DoorDash video. Today is Friday, and I am going to see what's up with Wingstop, because I've been looking at a lot of videos, and I am going to actually dash for Wingstop, see how long it takes. I'm actually just pulled up on parked, so I am on my way in right now to get this order. Hopefully it is ready. Yep, on my way to Wingstop. There's someone that's just going in right now, so I'm gonna let them go ahead and order their food, and hopefully I can get in and out quick. Let's see. Yes, Ronnie. Do I need to sign it right here?
No, I just have to see you confirm the order.
Yeah, right here.
Thank you so much.
Cool, thank you too. Alright. That was so easy. Why did they have it ready? I wonder. I mean, which is a good thing, but I wonder if it's been sitting there and no one else picked up the order, but it was already ready. I'm on my way to the customer. I just got all the way got. As soon as I turned on the DoorDash app, and as it was looking for my order, for a DoorDash order, I saw that Wingstop popped up, and I was like, oh no, right? Because I told you they are notorious from what I've seen. This is my first dash with them, but I've I've watched videos where they say they're never ready. So my hand accidentally hit the Wingstop, so that's when I said, okay, let's go. And it said it was 6 miles, $6.50. That's almost like $1 a mile. I don't do dollar a mile. And according to the map, it looked like it was right down the street. 6 miles, boom, straight shot. Why did I just pick up the order? You all saw me pick up the order, right? And I'm in my car, and guess what? Now it's telling me, yes, it's 6 miles away, but I have to go 6 miles out of the zone, which means then I have to turn around and come 6 miles back into the zone, which is wasted money, right? For some reason, when I pulled up the app, you all, I got to get better, because it did not show me, or I got to figure out how to get to the part where it shows me exactly where it is going. I think it came up, it was so quick that I kind of like neglected it for some reason, unintentionally, but I'm going 6 miles out the zone. Let's get it. All right, so I got the order safely to the customer. She was waiting at the door for me, which was a good thing. About to head back to the spot, you all. Head back to the hot spot so I can get another order, or 2 or 3. Whoa, it's slippery. Watch yourself, watch yourself. I am on my way to Panera Bread and Dunkin' Donuts. One customer is $16.50 going to Panera Bread, pick up one item, and then go to Dunkin' Donuts to pick up one cold brew. And it is, let me see, I'm at the light, you all. I think the distance is, I think the distance was something, oh my gosh, I can't see it. And my map is a little bit, I changed the settings. I'm going 3.2 miles, and it's $16.50, and both Panera and Dunkin' Donuts is in the same plaza. I'm gonna go drop it off, and we will see if I can get the customer to leave a bigger tip. We'll see. On my way into Panera Bread. Wear my mask inside. I'm supposed to pick it up at the side counter. It's supposed to be ready. Hello. Okay. at it. Alright, got the order. Set out, we're gonna call a customer. I'm trying to text a little bit more to let them know the step-by-step status. So I am on my way to Dunkin' Donuts. I have to pick up her brew at Dunkin' Donuts and we'll go from there. Traffic was heavy, you all, but I made it here. I made it. Let's go. We're going to pick up this. Hi. DoorDash. Greta. Yeah.
Greta.
Yep, that's it.
Huh?
Do you have a straw as well?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Get up from the things. Perfect.
Straw's right there.
You got it. Thank
You're
you.
welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Let's grab a few of these straws for future. Alright, you all, let's roll. Roll with me. Okay, going in backwards. Drop the order off. Another satisfied customer. It was very easy to get in and out of that subdivision, so I was very happy with that. But I was kind of like torn because I am still not actually being able to read the map. I mean, I know how to read a map, don't get me wrong, but because it's moving so fast, you have 30 seconds to kind of like make up your mind, your decision. I am not actually familiar with the navigation of the map, therefore I'm accepting orders and have to haul butt trying to get back to the area. But I think I'm done for today. I'm going to try to see if I can dash my way back towards my residence so that way I can gain a little bit of cash on the way back. Today I did 3 deliveries after work, after my full-time job. So I did 3 deliveries today, and I am going to get going again tomorrow. So I ended up with $22.50. That's not that bad for an average. That was for 1 hour. So thank you for watching my channel, you all. I am learning new things every single day. Every single day I am learning something new. So stay tuned, because next time I'm going to tell you what my secret strategy is. I think I know it. But next time, until next time, you all have an amazing day.